just need to wash the potato. Wash it properly. Cut the unpeeled potatoes in the thin slices, about 1/4 inch thick. The thinner you cut them, the more crispy, like chip, they will get. I like to cut some a little thicker and some thinner. Dip potato slices in milk and coat them with fried chicken breading mix. Is it okay if crispy fry or evap or anything you want to use? Let it absorb for 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's do the coating. Place oil, but I will be using olive oil, about 1 inch deep, in a large frying pan. Heat oil over medium heat. Carefully drop potatoes in the oil right away. Carefully baka masaktan ka. Pati ba naman sa pagluluto, masasaktan ka. Boom! So, the butter doesn't get soggy. And fry for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, adjusting heat as necessary. Wait until it turns golden brown. Chop the garlic and put the mayo and just mix it up, and you can put a little of pepper and salt, and that's it. You can have your potato mojos with garlic mayo sauce. Yummy! Yum yum yum!